For my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. And then I'll be going in with my Morphe flat angled brush and spoolie, which I find to be the perfect tool. So I start off with just lining the top part and the bottom part of my eyebrows just to get the shape that I want. And then I'll start filling in from the tail all the way to the front and getting the intensity that I like. And then I just continue filling in my brows and head towards the front. And when I get to the front, I like to create hair-like strokes by just using my brush up. And then now I'm just grabbing my spoolie and just blending in the front of my eyebrows just to create a little bit of an ombre effect. And I just continue filling in and just making sure that the little gaps that I left were filled in as well. And I'm just repeating the same process on the other side. It's a little bit hard trying to record with just my eyebrows as the focus, but forgive me guys. And I'm just repeating the process on the other side and just remembering that your eyebrows are cousins, not twin sisters. Okay. But yeah guys, so I just continue doing that and fill them in as usual and just, yep, the little hair-like strokes. Guys, this is my favorite brush. It is actually amazing. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell button, by the way, as we're going. So after I get the desired shape, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 445 and a Morphe M418 brush, which is probably the best concealer brush in the Morphe collection. I just use that to outline and clean up my brows. And I am in love with this brush, guys. So I just use that just to get the perfect line. I don't bring the concealer too far down, but I just use that to blend it a little bit downwards because I don't want to cover the full eyelid. And I use the concealer just to get the perfect arch that I prefer. And I do like to just use the same concealer above my eyebrows, which I'm going to blend out using a brush later on. And yeah, this is a little bit tricky. This is why I don't do brows on camera, guys. They are just so cumbersome. It's just, ugh. But yeah, they turn out looking, I guess, decent in the end. I repeat the process on the other side, and don't mind the harsh halo looking eyebrows. They will get cleared out and blended out soon. Just trying to perfect the shape that I want and get them looking flaky. Alright, so hopefully we're going well now. And now I'm just doing a quick check just to make sure they actually look identical or close to identical as possible. And I'm just using the same Morphe brush just to use the concealer to give them a nice clean shape. And I think that'll be good for now. But yeah, just carry on and just, you know, keep fixing that. This literally takes me so much longer. And now I'm going in with another Morphe M156 brush, which is a beautiful blending brush from the James Charles palette, James Charles collection, brush collection. I'm using that just to blend that out and it'll be ready for me to use my foundation after that. And yeah, these brushes are really good, but I'll just use any blending brush that I find. It just helps. And I'm going back in with my little spoolie just to blend out and, you know, reduce any harsh lines. But yeah, so that's what they're looking at the moment. I don't know what I was staring at, but yeah, that is it, guys. And that's my brow routine. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you already haven't. And I'll see you in my next video, guys.